real estate is big business in Nigeria. But forget the fact that the market seems to be crowded. You have agents, hundreds of agents, you have hundreds of developers. It is big business. And showing on your screen here now is a $40 million deal that was supposed to be fully funded by a private equity firm. The National Assembly had released the funds to go into the building of a 1,000-unit project for members of the National Assembly, and a private equity firm was given the project to execute. And they reached out to me and they were looking for a Nigerian contractor on the ground that they could partner with. $40 million. And if you're sleeping on the capability that is real estate investment here in Nigeria, there is a huge market. And also, depending on who you are quoting, you see some people quote that there is a 17 million deficit, some people say 20, some people say 22 million housing deficit in Nigeria. And in Lagos alone, you have 2 million plus. There is a huge both housing deficit and also huge infrastructural gaps, and there's also huge opportunity in the commercial space. So real estate business is big here in Nigeria. If you're a foreign investor, local investor, don't sleep on the potential. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be showing you the various ways you can start, the various things you need to